So I'm the technical girl. So we're so happy to announce that we have partnered with Afterpay. So what is Afterpay? It's a way for you to thank you. It's a way for you to get what you want now. And just like QVC, just like HSN, you'll be able to make payments. So yes,
Oh my God.
yes.
Wonderful.
So it's live.
Oh, it's on now.
It's live. It's live on the site right now. So if you logged on right now, you picked any product, you would see that you can break it up in payments. So we're really excited about it. A lot of businesses, we've had to make such an extreme shift, and it's like you either make the shift or
Wow.
or not. So we wanted to make the shift to make our business better, and so that we can survive in all of this. So
That means
Absolutely.
that means that I can get your ever and ever and ever.
yes. Yes.
Absolutely.
So we're really excited about it, and shop away. Also, there was one more thing. Oh, there was one more thing. With there being such a shift from the way that we're all doing business, we realize that there's a lot of people that have opened online stores. They've opened an online shop, or maybe they've switched their business from brick and mortar to online. And so we're now going to be offering private label. We already were doing it, but on a small scale, but now we're completely set up to do it on a larger scale. So we're so thrilled about this. So if you, thank you. If you know anyone, thank you. If you know anyone who has an online store or a shop, it will all be up and running on Monday. We'll be accepting wholesale orders on only a few of our products. So it will be our body butters, our sugar scrubs, our foot scrubs, and also our bath bombs. So say again.
What kind of orders?
Wholesale and private label. And so
Wholesale. Wow.
yeah, wholesale and private label.
Wonderful.
So what I've been doing personally is contacting different businesses that offer. We just recently sent off samples to a beautiful company that offers different types of African style clothing and trending clothing, but they had bath bombs on their site. And so I reached out to them and said, respectfully, do you make these bath bombs? Because if you don't, then baby, I have the best bath bombs in the world for you to share with your customers. So we sent out a sample. It took them about a week to get back to us, and they said, yeah, send a sample. So we sent the sample yesterday.
Yeah.
So wish us luck. It's a really beautiful site.
Blessings.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank
I'm
you.
so proud of
Thank you.
you both. I'm so proud of you.
Thank you.
You
Thank
have
you.
got this. You have so got this.
Thank you. Thank you. We're so excited and just moving right along. We've been doing this for 8 years, so there's no turning back now.
Right. Oh, I hope not.
Yeah, man. For real. Moving forward,
All
Okay.
right.
So
Yeah.
now let's do our drawing. Let me see who all we have. We have Charlene. We have Trina Bina. She always says she doesn't want to be in it, so
I don't want to be in it.
she's a silent partner.
Silent partner.
Yes, she is.
Yeah, man.
Trina's a person that when we came to California, Trina said, "What y'all need to get started?" We were like, "We have no almonds and no money and no nothing." She said, "What y'all need? What y'all need?"
Yeah.
We were like, "We need $200." Trina was like, "I got y'all Don't even say nothing. I got y'all. We took that $200. We took that $200. We sent it off to Nigel's mother. She sent us back almonds. Nigel got depressing. I found some, not depression, to depressing. He got depressing. I wanted to make sure that my words were clear, you know. So Nigel got depressing. We got some bottles. Then we started sharing it. Then we started, you know, talking to some people out in California. Then we started doing some groovy shows and some farmers markets. And it just, and Trina came out, and Trina was at the farmers markets working it.
Yep, she came to the show. We did the shows together. Go ahead, Trina.
In little teeny tiny Lake Placid at a little tiny little farmer's market. Tiny. That's where I met y'all.
There you go.
Yep.
There you go.
Yes, wow.
So so Trina truly is a silent partner who hasn't been silent. She's been a voice for us. She's been a stand for us. And it's amazing that for her to be a silent partner, if I pull up my numbers of my customer list, Trina Beckner is our number one customer this year of number of orders. So it's like, man, she's all of that. She's all of that and more. And she's my sister.
My sister too.
Oh, your sister too, yes. Of course.
Hey, y'all, I'm checking my mic. Can y'all hear me?
Yes.
We can hear
we
you.
Can hear you. Yes.
Okay, good.
We can hear you. Okay, so we're gonna have
This time and not on my phone.
okay, we're gonna have our drawing, and the way the drawing works is once your name is pulled and you win, we then will send you an email in a couple hours, because we kind of decompress and we do, you know, do what needs to be done. So give us about an hour or so. We'll send you out your email. You just click it and you got your stuff. Okay, well, it's not. You click it and we put it together and we ship it on Monday.
Yeah.
Or if you live in Lake Placid, we bring it past your house. Right, Beth?
Yes, you do.
That's right.
Yes, you
Yeah,
do.
man.
Okay.
Or the door.
All right. You're going to pick.
Oh, I'm picking.
You're picking, of course. Scramble them up like you always. Oh, you already picked
I
it.
already got one.
Already saw it. Okay. All right. There you go. Who's that?
Yeah, I didn't look yet.
It says Sandy.
Yeah, Sandy.
Congratulations.
Winner. Yes, Sandy.
Congratulations. That's awesome.
Yeah, man.
Yay.
Awesome. And we have your, if you could put your email in the chat, and that way, or you could put it to a private chat to us, and that way I can pull your email and get you out your email so we can get you out your box. Yes.
Congratulations.
Yeah, man.
Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you.
It was the first one my hand touched. So I just yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, man. Yes.
All right, you guys. Well, we're going to wrap up. The last thing we're going to do is what we're going to start calling is our public service announcement.
What did she win again?
She won. Okay, hold on.
It's the head to toe box, right? Or is it the sugar? Or is it the,
She won the
moisture box, the head to toe box.
She won the head to toe box. So what did she win?
So you win. It's a sugar scrub, a 4 ounce, a half ounce almond oil, a 1 ounce almond oil, mango bath bomb, a mango body butter, and a vanilla lip butter.
Nice.
Pull it up close to the camera, babes. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Good job. Good job.
I was just in the process of about to order some moringa oil, and that's why I won, because I was about to order it.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Yeah, man.
Okay.
Always get more Afterpay.
Okay.
Yes. Yeah,
All right. So congratulations. And let's see. Okay, we're going to wrap it up with public service announcement first. Let's get out and vote, you
Yes.
all. You know we have to get out and vote.
Absolutely.
You know, it's not our place to tell you who, what, when, where, how, but just to tell you to get out and vote.
It's important.
It's very important. Yes.
Yes.
And
I
then,
just received my Florida voters registration card in the mail just the other day.
amen.
Amen.
I'm
Amen.
registered to vote in Florida now.
Amen.
That's right.
Amen. And then if you are in the Lake Placid, Avon Park, anywhere around the Sebring area, or if you know anyone in that area, please let them know that there is a food bank, an amazing food bank on Thursdays at 11:30 at 631 Harris Street in Sebring, and I'll have all the details on everything on Facebook, because we have to make sure that people are getting food and people are getting
Right.
shelter, right? So.
Absolutely.
That's right.
Yes.
Yes.
And
yes.
that's part of our core, me and Nigel, you know, separately before we met, separately before we met, and then together, food and shelter, those are the two biggest things that, you know, we need as humans, you know, no matter what, you know, religion, race, you know, political party, no matter what, food and shelter. So, you know, we're stand for that.
Yes.
Yes, very important.
All right.
Yep.
Yeah.
All right, you guys.
Get to vote.
Don't forget to
Yeah.
vote.
Forget to
That's
vote.
right. It's important. I know we're not supposed to say who for, but you guys know who to vote for.
You guys know the truth. You guys know what's up.
Everybody knows the truth.
Yeah, man.
So we're gonna have this every single Saturday until it's just the two of us here. So if you keep coming, we'll
It would
keep
be all
coming
of
too.
us, and we'll always be here.
All right.
All right, take care, guys.
Tell a friend.
I have to work
Thank you.
Next Saturday, so I won't get to see you all, but my heart will be with you.
Okay. Thank you,
man.
Beth, and
Yeah,
thank you.
Yeah, man. Thank you for
Thank
being
you
here.
for joining us, and thank
I
you for your
work at a veterinary
suggestion.
hospital, so I have this one, I have this one, and then
Oh.
Hey, buddies.
oh, they're adorable. I have mines here somewhere walking around.
Mr.
Cool,
Moon.
I gotta
Mr.
run.
Moon.
Okay, thank you again for being with us, guys. Thank you. See you next week and in between.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Thank you, guys.
Bye bye. Good to see your faces.
Bye.
Bye
All
bye.
right, take care. One love. Yeah,
Get
man.
here, stuff. I'm over. Love you guys. It's like a party.
Love you
Love
too.
you too, Chi. Yeah, man. Take care.
Ooh, partying.
Okay.
Okay.
I love you guys.
We love you too.
Love
Mwah.
you too, Chi.
Treat and Peggy. Mwah.
Yeah, man. All right, then. Thank you.
I'm so happy.
All right. Hang up. Hang up.
All right, I love you. Okay,
Love you
bye.
too. Okay.
All
Bye.
right, Chi.
Bye.
Post.
Bye.
And stuff. Yeah, man.
End meeting for all. That was great.
wonderful. Yeah. You're still holding the mic.
Oh, whoops.
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Oh, you're still on up there.
We're still
too.
on live here.
Oh, hey,
All right, you guys. It's over. Thank
Yeah,
you
man.
for being with us on live. Join us next week and every week until we're the last ones here at nnjlive.com. Yeah.
Yes, I.
All right. See y'all soon again.
One love.
Bye bye.